All right, a quick update on MYRO. So MYRO here, we're going to keep it simple. You can see a 24% drop is in play. We tried to get over the 236 here, high to the low off of that wick, but ultimately it's coming right back down here. And when I say keep it that simple, I'm going to draw a line on the chart here, which is in a smaller time frame, 618 retracement, which if it falls any lower than this line I just drew on the chart at 7.5, so 7.5 pennies here, any lower than this, then you run the risk of breaking that 618, that market structure, and then we're going to have the price end up dropping 24% back down to the low. And then, like I said, there's no guarantee that's going to hold because we do have this green support box here that we drew a couple of updates ago. And this is just, if you look in the past, this is where the resistance came in, support, 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 and then once again, support on that wick. So if you fall lower than 7.5, you're going to drop 24% and even down to the bottom of the box here once again. And you could drop about 43% down to 4.7. So we really want to hold up here off of this wick and off of this market structure here. And then the moment we get back over 8.8, and then of course 10.5 here. So once you get back over 10.5 pennies, short term at least, you would be bullish, and we can focus on the macro or the larger 236 here. You can see is at 12, but let's get this one off of the chart. So the big one on the macro picture of things that you need to get over on MYRO to confirm the bottom is in, if all of these prices, if we break through all of these prices here and we hold up, is going to be the macro 382 at 15 here. So 15 pennies. Once you get over that, that will confirm the bottom is in, and then you can be bullish once again when you get over the 382 at 21 pennies here. So from where we are today on the macro scale, you can see this thing needs to move up 156%, get over the 382, and then you can be once again bullish on MYRO here for the future. Now, with all that being said, how high is this thing going to go? We do have a target all the way up here to the top. Of course, there's a lot more we'll get into here in just a moment. But if this thing comes up all the way to the top of our fib here at the 4236 at about $1.69, $1.70, that's where you're going to get about a 21, maybe a 22x out of MYRO here and a $1.6 billion market cap. So that is a potential target there. If you want some profit taking targets, you could see 145 here would be a good target, give you a 17.5, 18x. And then the dollar range here, a dollar, good round number. We could see a lot of people taking profit there. That would get you a decent 13x on your investment here. And then just under a dollar, about 90 cents or so, you could see another target potentially. So about 90 cents, about a dollar, and then you'll get about an 11x out of MYRO at that point. So of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? How high do you think MYRO is going to go? You can see there's tons of numbers here to watch for potential profit-taking targets here. Almost 70 cents would give you about an 8x. And I would imagine a lot of people are looking pretty much at the similar type of chart here, and they're looking at pretty much the same numbers here. So when people see these things come up, especially if it comes up to 55, hits a new all-time high, get about a 6.5x on your investment. Good place to take profit would be the 50-55 cent range, because a lot of people are probably going to watch that and start selling their positions at that point. And even if it does a 786 retracement here, so before this thing gets too long, you could see a nice target would be about 37 cents, and that's going to get you a decent almost 4.5, 5x on your investment here from today. And of course, that will all change if we end up coming down to the low and going lower. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.